Waterproof Bag Double Layer Reusable Cloth by Yuki Home is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. Specification: Material, canvas and EVO waterproof lining. Product dimensions, 11.8 inches by 14 inches. Features: the baby wet bag is water resistant, allows you to carry your wet and dry items in the same bag. 2 compartments designed for separating clean ones from dirty ones. Foldable, folds up easily so it doesn't take up too much space in a diaper bag. Snap strap for easy carry-on, you can hang it on your wrist, stroller and your backpack. Reusable and washable, it's very easy to clean, just need to wipe the waterproof lining with wet towels. Multi-purpose wet bag, except for diaper bag, it also can be used for your daily life, carry sweat-soaked clothes, swimming suits, dirty clothes during travel, can be used on the beach, the water park, and so on. The baby wet bag has 2 zippered pockets, the main pocket has waterproof lining, can separate the dry clean items from the wet and dirty items. The waterproof wet bags are machine washable and easy to clean up, 100% non-toxic. Large capacity, 30 cm by 36 cm, 11.5 in by 14 in, holds approximately 5 to 7 cloth diapers. Lightweight, foldable and dirt resistant. Snap buckle and strap lets you attach this dry wet bag anywhere. Super convenient, hang on your wrist, attach to your stroller, put in a larger bag, or hang from anything you like. Multifunctional wet bags. The gray wet bags can be used as diaper wet dry bags, travel bags, storage bags, cosmetic bags, handbags, wash bags, organizer bags and so on.